Well, hello. It's Dr. August Stunning, and I do these nifty little beach walks, and it is sandblasting me. The wind is so high and so heavy right now that the sand is blowing and sandblasting my legs. But I wanted to just say thank you, by the way. If you're new here, you can catch up as I go along. But I've been doing a couple of videos on therapeutic dry fasting, and people really identified with this because they've noticed that if you do more than one, it solves big problems. And I had a wonderful email from a woman that went over to Filonov's clinic over in Russia to solve some really big problems, and she did it by repeated dry fasting. You know, dry fasting, this book here, Phoenix Protocol, has been so helpful in getting people back to health, back to feeling good about themselves and life, and getting rid of all these metabolic issues. You know, there's these this thing happens when you're just not happy all the time and you're not feeling well all the time and you just get dragged down, you get snarly. That book fixes that, you know. That book fixes all the internal metabolic problems so you have a better life, you have a nicer outlook. Anyway, I just want to say thank you because it really, really warms my heart to see everybody responding and seeing all the benefits of people's lives to using dry fasting and you know, understanding what I'm trying to talk about in that book. So I really appreciate it, and I really love you guys. It's just overwhelming sometimes. And I think I just finished my my next book. I think I just did today. It goes into final editing tonight, and it might be up in the next couple of days. And that's a big breakthrough. So I can't wait to show it to you. And it is just blowing like crazy right here. I don't know if you can hear it. I don't know if my mic is being overwhelmed by it. But yeah, thank you so much for your emails. Please post more of them. I love it. I'm going to probably have to do a Q&A, aren't I? I think I probably will. And if you are new here, we talk about these topics in dry fasting and how you just basically don't eat or drink for a few days and you end up healing yourself and feeling better and getting all sorts of things, you know, solved that can't be solved any other way except by doing nothing. I love doing nothing to feel better. Anyway, I love you guys. Thank you so much. It is so cool to read your emails, and I do. I read them all. And it's just a really snarly day at the beach here. I see if I can post this, but it's like it's blowing me around. Anyway, I love you guys. I'll talk to you later. Take care.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.